More guys, no be small thing. Actor Azeez Jamiu finally opened up. The veteran actor, popularly called Jay-Z's Jamiu Azeez Olamilekan, finally opened up the reason why he's been battling with suicide. He wants to kill himself for the past 2 years. He's been thinking of killing himself. Can you imagine? For the past 2 years, because he was afraid of mockery and unsure of who to confide in. So he's been keeping everything that happened to him within himself to the extent that he's thinking of killing himself. Guys, no be small thing. No, this one water don't pass Gary. I don't know why a celebrity could be thinking of killing himself over what. But I would like you to hear from Azeez Jamiu Olamilekan himself. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit on the red button to subscribe and like this video. I still remain your favorite gist entertainment Fletcher.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to use this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to everybody that reached out to me with calls and messages after I made my last post. Your love and support means so much to me, and truly I was touched by your kindness. Firstly, I would like to address my fans, my friends, my family, who may have felt disappointed. I'm sorry I never meant to let you down. But you know, at times, life throws challenges at us, and I'm just trusting in God to guide me through them. So I would like to clarify my intention for making that post. It was not just about telling my story or saying my situation to the world, but it was purposely to talk about depression. I want to give people courage, because I know a lot of us are going through one or two life challenges. It's not been easy for everybody. I was a victim of depression, and I said to myself, Jamiu, just as you are going through depression, just as you are thinking of committing suicide, a lot of people are going through that too. And I was like, oh, since I have a platform, I should be able to use my platform to talk to people about depression. I should be able to encourage people to always speak up. Life happens. If you feel you need to talk to somebody, if you feel you need help, ask. So I purposely made that video to encourage anyone going through one or two. Put aside the fear of being mocked. People will talk. You will follow learn. At the end of the day, you are all you've got. If you refuse to talk and eventually did something bad to yourself, it will not lie you. It was a tough decision for me, a very tough one. Putting my situation out there, it was very tough for me. But I purposely did that because I want to encourage people. If you are going through anything, please always speak up. Are you okay? Please always speak up. And again, I would like to address my friends, my colleagues, my family. Tí wọ́n ti lè invite me sí party tí mo turn down tí mi ò lọ. Kí ni ìdùnnú ẹni wọ́n tó ń sago mọ́wọ́? I was going through so much. If I come to your party, I am going to spend money. And I do not have it. So the best thing to save myself is not to turn up for a party. And to people that look up to me, my younger ones or my friends, see one feel, oh, he's a celebrity. Oh, yeah, go run along. Oh, yeah, go run along. Someone was disappointed we are million when they needed me. I also needed help at that time. But because I was asking for the gram, if anybody more, cotton shame won't think cotton shame won't fi sabi aṣọ. Fine, as a public figure, it is my duty to always look good. Yes, no matter what I'm going through, I need to freshen up, I need to look good for myself. So looking good could mean everything is perfect. But thank God, with the love and massive support from you guys, I am not depressed.